Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS news for Friday, August 17. The economy grew by 1.8% for the April to June quarter this year. The figure was revealed by the Planning Institute of Jamaica, PIOJ, at its quarterly press briefing on Thursday. According to Director General Dr. Wayne Henry, the growth is a result of improved weather conditions, which contributed to positive performance in industries such as agriculture, mining, and construction. The goods-producing industry recorded a 5.7% performance increase, with mining and quarrying and agriculture being among the strongest areas of growth. There was 0.5% growth in the services industry. PIOJ's Director General says the 1.8% growth marked the 14th consecutive quarter of positive performance for the country.
The forecast for calendar year 2018 is that growth will be in the range of 1.5% to 2.5%. And for fiscal year 2018-19, growth is projected to be within the range of 2% to 3%.
Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid has announced an increase in the pass rate for students who sat mathematics and English language in this year's Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate, CSEC. The CSEC results were officially released this week. Over 34,000 public school students sat the subjects, with just over 30,000 obtaining grades 1 to 3.
For English language, for the students who sat in the public schools, the grades 1 to 3 was 75.4%, and for math was 57.8%. But the results showed for math a very big movement, 7.6% jump in the pass rate for math.
Speaking yesterday at the National Exit Examination press conference, Minister Reid also revealed that male students achieved higher percentage passes than females in 2 subjects, biology and chemistry. He said that of the 32 subject areas, there were improved pass rates in 22. A town hall meeting is to be conducted on the Government Oval project planned for lands in and around the National Heroes Park. At Wednesday's quarterly press briefing, Prime Minister Andrew Holness said the town hall meeting and other stakeholder consultations were geared at filling information gaps about the project.
I firmly believe that it is in the best interest of the country to have that area developed. No, we can't develop without the people. It was never the intention of the government to just go in and bulldoze and dislocate and remove people. But things require a process.
In May, a design competition was launched for the construction of the new Houses of Parliament building at Hero Circle. The project also envisions having 14 government ministries and agencies conveniently located in close proximity to each other. This is part of a larger development plan for the revitalization of the area to encompass 300 acres. The House of Representatives is to review the standing orders on its dress code for entering Gordon House when it resumes sittings in September. A week ago, Cabinet ordered the suspension of the long-standing practice of barring women wearing sleeveless attire from entering government buildings. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says he will instruct Leader of Government Business in the lower house, Carl Samuda, to initiate a parliamentary committee to discuss the matter and bring it in line with government's direction.
Of course, there's going to be robust debate in Parliament, but I think that the general sentiment for which MPs should pay attention to is that we should align our policies to modern thinking.
100 acres of land in Spring Plain, Clarendon has been reserved to facilitate youth who are involved in agriculture. The announcement was made by Minister J.C. Hutchinson, who says 10 young people have been identified to receive the plots of land. This is part of government's mission to have all idle state lands under production. Minister Hutchinson says even more is being done to get youth involved in agriculture.
In St. Elizabeth, we are looking to acquire a large acreage of land, and that acreage of land, we are looking to have 150 acres earmarked for youth in agriculture.
Of this 150 acres, Minister Hutchinson says 50 will be for women involved in agriculture. He was addressing the launch of the Youth in Agriculture Village during the recently held Denby Agricultural Show in Clarendon. And finally, Culture Minister Olivia Grange has lauded the late Count Prince Miller for taking Jamaica's music to the world. The musician and actor passed away this week in the United Kingdom. Minister Grange says Count Prince Miller had a stature, a voice, a humor that made him the quintessential showman, pointing out that he was a recording artist and actor of note with the James Bond film Dr. No and the iconic record Mule Train among his work. The Culture Minister says she's very proud of the way Count Prince Miller represented the country on the world stage and offers condolences to his son Jean-Pierre. And Minister Grange also paid tribute to the late Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin, who visited Montego Bay in 1982 to perform at the Jamaica World Music Festival. The Queen of Soul died on Thursday. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.